The online consultation business is on a surge. I'm talking about coaching, lifestyle, habits, principles, values, learning how to cook, etc., different online classes, etc. Whatever it may be, whatever the online consultation service is, one of the major issues entrepreneurs run into is trying to decide what is a correct business address to choose for my online consultation business. In today's video, I am going to talk to you about how to properly choose a business address for your online consultation business. Hi, my name is Andrew. I'm the managing attorney here at Freedom Through Business, where we help entrepreneurs just like you start your businesses, grow your businesses, while staying legally compliant. The purpose of these videos are to provide you with as much clarity and guidance in the beginning stages of starting a business. So if you haven't already, please make sure you hit the like, subscribe, as well as the bell notification so you don't miss out on any future videos. These videos are for educational purposes only, and so make sure you speak with a professional prior to doing anything. In starting an LLC, one of the first requirements is choosing a business address. Now, as an online consultant, it's likely that a lot of the consultations will take place at one's home. Now the question arises, what happens if an individual, an entrepreneur, does not want to use their home address as their business address? Well, in that case, they're going to want to consider their various options. If they're renting some sort of rental office space, they can consider using that as a business address. A second option is going to be a virtual address, a virtual business address, which costs approximately $10 to $20 per month. And then the third option is going to be a virtual office, which can range anywhere from approximately $50 per month all the way up until $200 per month. Now, in choosing which option is best, there are some considerations to keep in mind. As an online consultant, marketing is very important. And so when it comes to a business address, not only is it one of the requirements in starting an LLC, the business address may also be posted on one's personal website, or it may appear in a Google search. If the appearance of online marketing is important to an entrepreneur, if posting a business address on one's website is also important to that same entrepreneur, then they're not going to want to use their home address. They're going to want to consider registering either a virtual business address or a virtual office. The two are similar, they offer similar services, however, they do provide different benefits. And what I mean by this is a virtual business address is the most basic, fundamental business address that meets the requirements. However, when it comes to the public appearance, it's not that professional. On the other hand, a virtual office meets the requirements, but it also provides a professional public display. And what I mean by that is, with this virtual office, you're able to use it on one's personal website, and you're able to use it on Google search, which basically means if an individual potential client, a potential customer searches your consultation business on Google, if you want there to be some sort of Google image, then in this case a virtual office will be the most beneficial one, because it does provide that professional appearance, as opposed to a virtual business address, which if you were to search on Google search, etc., it would pull up a random store in a strip mall. If you are a consultant who is trying to build a brand, then having people Google search a random small building that's a hole in the wall, it's not very professional. It's not likely to attract customers. So if that professional appearance is very important to you as an online consultant, then consider registering a virtual office. Keep in mind that virtual business addresses and virtual offices are able to receive mail, and they're also able to forward mail. And so that is one benefit. In addition, both provide the ability to receive calls and voicemail. If you are currently in the process of starting an LLC and trying to figure out the right business address is currently holding you back, then either consider using a home address. That is a default option. However, if privacy is important, if you do not want your home information to become public information, then consider an alternative option, which is going to be a virtual business address or a virtual office. If you happen to have any questions about anything that I talked about in today's video, make sure you click the link down below to book a free call with a professional who can help you better understand how to choose a right business address for your online consultation business. If you happen to enjoy this video, please make sure you hit the like, subscribe, as well as bell notification so you don't miss out on any future videos. It's time to invest in yourself. It's time to rise.